Unit 1. Management Process. Chapter 2. Functions of Management. Managerial functions are time-specific, institution-specific and country-specific. The management functions of Industrial Revolution may differ from the management functions of 19th century and followed by 20th century. This chapter is an attempt to explain the management functions of 20th century and after. Management functions are called as managerial process. This process is 24 hours non-stop process for attaining the objectives again and again for reaching the highest level. Functions of management can be classified into two categories. They are main functions and subsidiary functions. All functions of management are briefly discussed below. Main functions. Planning, organizing, staffing, directing, motivating, controlling and coordination are the main functions of management. 1. Planning. Think before you act, or look before you leap, are some of the usual traditional proverbs, which provide a basis or logic for planning. Planning is the primary function of management. Nothing can be performed without planning. For example, writing a book starts with planning. In short, planning refers to deciding in advance. Planning is a constructive reviewing of future needs so that present actions can be adjusted in view of the established goal. Planning should take place before doing. Most individual or group efforts are made by determining before any operative action takes place what shall be done, where, how, and who shall do it. 2. Organizing. Organizing is the process of establishing harmonious relationship among the members of an organization and the creation of network of relationship among them. Organizing function work is assigned to employees who are given authority to carry out the work assigned and made accountable for it. 3. Staffing. Staffing function comprises the activities of selection and placement of competent personnel. In other words, staffing refers to placement of right persons in the right jobs. Staffing includes selection of right persons, training to those needy persons, promotion of best persons, retirement of old persons, performance appraisal of all the personnel, and adequate remuneration of personnel. The success of any enterprise depends upon the successful performance of staffing function. 4. Directing. Directing denotes motivating, leading, guiding and communicating with subordinates on an ongoing basis in order to accomplish preset goals. Employees are kept informed of all necessary matters by circulars, instructions, manuals, newsletters, notice boards, meeting, participative mechanism, etc., in order to enable the employees to accomplish the organizational goals. 5. Motivating. The goals are achieved with the help of motivation. Motivation includes increasing the speed of performance of a work and developing a willingness on the part of workers. This is done by a resourceful leader. The workers expect favorable climate conditions to work, fair treatment, monetary or non-monetary incentive, effective communication and gentleman approach. 6. Controlling. Controlling is performed to evaluate the performance of employees in deciding increments and promotion decisions. The control function helps in identifying underperformers and arranging remedial training for them. It is the control function which facilitates synchronization of actual performance with predetermined standards. 7. Coordination. Coordination is the synchronization or unification or integration of the actions of all individuals working in the enterprise in different capacities, so as to lead to the most successful attainment of the common objectives. Coordination is included in every managerial function, example planning and coordination, organizing and coordination, staffing and coordination, directing and coordination, motivation and coordination and controlling and coordination. All the activities are divided group-wise or section-wise under organizing function. Now, such grouped activities are coordinated towards the accomplishment of objectives of an organization. The difficulty of coordination depends upon the size of organization. The difficulty of coordination is increased with the increasing size of the organization. Subsidiary functions. Innovation, representation, decision-making, and communication are the subsidiary functions of management. 1. Innovation. Innovation refers to the preparation of personnel and organization to face the changes made in the business world. Continuous changes are being made in the business. Consumers are satisfied through innovation. Innovation includes developing new material, new products, new techniques in production, new package, new design of a product and cost reduction. 2. Representation. A manager has to act as representative of a company. Manager has dealings with customers, suppliers, government officials, banks, financial institutions, trade unions and the like. It is the duty of every manager to have good relation with others. 3. Decision making. Every employee of an organization has to take a number of decisions every day. Decision making helps in the smooth functioning of an organization. 4. Communication. Communication is the transmission of human thoughts, views, or opinions from one person to another person. Workers are informed about what should be done, where it is to be done, how it is to be done, and when it is to be done. Communication helps the regulation of job and coordinates the activities. Scholars in the field of management have their own classification of functions of management. Some scholars add few functions and delete some other functions.